Let's work with common table expressions. Polar supports common table expressions using with class and SQL statements. Let's import polars. Let's create a lazy frame. Polars dot lazy frame. Let's say name, Alice, Bob, Charles, David. Age 15, 17, 24 and 29. Let's print the lazy frame. Let's register the frame in SQL context. Let's initialize SQL context. Polars dot SQL context. LF equal to LF. Result is equal to context dot execute. Let's write a query with data as select asterisk from LF where age is greater than 20. Let's have a statement. Select asterisk from data where starts with name D. This should print us the result of name David and age 29.